In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to record PowerPoint presentation with audio. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So first of all, we need to select the slide where we want to record our audio. So I want to record my audio on my first slide. So for that, select your first slide or go to your first slide. Then we need to tap on insert, and now here we need to click on audio, and now you can choose your audio from your PC and select the file which you want to insert on your slide. So I don't want to add any audio from my PC, I want to record it. So for that we need to again go to audio, click on it, then click on record audio, and now it will show you this pop-up. Here we can name our audio, so I want to name it my audio, and then we need to tap on this red dot to start our recording. Once we tap on it, then it will start the recording and we can say anything which we want to say on our slide. And once you're done with your recording, tap on this square button to stop our recording, and now you can play your recording by tapping on this play icon, and then it will play your recording. We can say, so this is the process to record your audio. Once you are happy with everything, tap on OK, and then it will be added on your PowerPoint slide. You can play your recording from here as well. You can mute it, unmute it, adjust the sound levels. If you want to hide this speaker icon while your slideshow, then for that go to playback, and from here we can hide during show, and then it will hide the speaker icon during your slideshow. So this is the process to record your audio in PowerPoint. Now if I was a big help, can you please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.